Hey everybody, my name is Chris BISH'S with BISH'S RV here in beautiful Junction City. What a gorgeous day to show you this 2011 Newmar Ventana 3962. I'll tell you what, this thing is really pretty on the inside, and we get these coming in all the time, and they leave as soon as we get them in. They sell really quick. So I just wanted to get a quick video just to show you the interior of this thing real fast. Let's go take a look. And by the way, if you found this video helpful, would you please like and subscribe? Let's take a look. I just wanted to take a quick minute to show you the interior, the colors, the design, how beautiful this is. This is a really nice coach from 2011. There is a little bit of wear on this passenger seat. Other than that, it is really fantastic. Really comfortable. You've got TV up ahead. Right here is your Sony, your DVD, your wine guard, your hopper. Everything's all set up and ready to go. That's one of the neat things about getting one where people already did all the work getting it outfitted for you. One of the things I wanted to point out real quickly is if you take a look at what we're standing on, this is actually porcelain flooring, porcelain tile. That color actually goes all the way through the tile. So this is really nice. Beautifully done, just like a home. That's the way Newmars are. You're also going to notice polished Corian countertops. Everything matching, the backsplash, all of that, gorgeous. All the cabinetry in here is made from a material you might not have heard of before. It's called wood, and built by the Amish. This is gorgeous cabinetry. Beautiful light tones, accented by this dark gray and some black. It's very elegant in here. You're going to notice that there is a hide-a-bed right here. It's a beautiful sofa. You've got an extra seat right over here. You've got, so you can have a conversation area. Really nice kitchen. Got a big convection oven. Look at that. Look how big that is. Really nice, very clean. You've got this cover for a 3-burner stove. Nice sink. Tons of cabinet space everywhere. Cabinets, cabinets, cabinets. TV in a really nice spot here. You got one up behind you as well, if you remember. And here's your little dining area. There are 2 additional chairs underneath the bed in back here. So you could have a couple extra chairs if you've got guests. Everybody loves a nice fridge, right? Take a look at this one. It's a Maytag. You've got everything here. Water, ice, the whole thing. A little ice maker. Nice, big, huge double fridge. Nice, big freezer. So definitely you could live in this thing or take a trip across country and be extremely comfortable and have plenty of room for everything. That's why people love these. This one's got a bath and a half. So here's your half bath, your front bath here. Porcelain toilet. Little extra storage. You do have privacy doors here for the bedroom. They slide out. And come check out this bedroom. You lift up the bed. Here's those extra chairs I was telling you about. So you've got a bed and a slide and storage all along the top. And then look at all the storage you get here. 3 big drawers on the bottom, another couple here, 3 drawers here, and you've even got this area here and a TV. So a lot of places to hide things and tuck things. And then you have a full bath in the back, and it's got that porcelain tile again, beautifully accented, just like you'd see in a high-end home. And you've got a great counter with a sink, lots of storage in here. Really nice shower. And you know, I'm 6 feet tall. You can see I've got plenty of room in here. And I'm a big guy, so this would work out very nicely for me. Check this out. You've got your Splendide washer dryer. This is kind of neat right here. I'm going to see if I can show you this. I like this. See this? This is a safe, so you can hide all of your Bitcoin. your gold bars, your jewelry, anything that you want to keep safe. I kind of thought this was neat. This little thing opens up there. I love it when they do stuff like that. Little secret hiding places and drawers and cabinets and stuff. Lots of space. All these little places where you can put things. Drawers everywhere. Lots of space in here. This is a beautiful motorhome. I think that it would be a wonderful motorhome for anybody who wants to do some long traveling or extended camping, even living in something for a while. I could tell you all kinds of things about the Newmar quality, but you probably have already discovered that. That's why you're looking at this one. I just wanted to do a quick video and just show you how beautifully appointed this is, how wonderful it is. It just got here, and I'll tell you what, we could schedule a time for you to come test drive it, take a look at it. We've got other inventory as well. I would love to talk with you. Feel free to call me on my personal cell phone or send me a text. Let me know how I can help. My name is Chris BISH'S, and my number is 541-636-7878.